So I wanted to show you how to use the website VYond. VYond is a tool that you can use to create videos. It's got lots of different graphics, so it's great for animation, using, especially if you're some sort of instructional designer or you are using this to teach uh, your students how to use instructional technology or other teachers how to use instructional technology. You don't have to have a large graphics background in order to use the site. It's very user friendly. It does have a cost. It starts at $24 a month and goes all the way up to $92 a month, but it does integrate with Shutterstock, so it has photos and videos, but it's got a lot of great features that I wanted to show you today. So has lots of templates that you can choose from. I've been working with some of our first grade classes. They are focusing on animals, and they have been creating Google slideshows to showcase the animals that they chose. But I have been working with some of the students on creating a video through instead of a Google slideshow. So we have used Canva, but I did want to show you how to use VYond for this. Now with it, you do get a free 14-day trial. However, the videos that you make, you cannot download with a free trial. You have to purchase a subscription. But I did want to walk you through real quick what I used to create my video on cat myths. So I chose one of the templates. Here also you can add another slide. You can you can add another scene to your video. You can copy and paste a current scene and then add it on. You can it's got all kinds of graphics, shapes and symbols, hand gestures, effects. Then it's got characters, and when you choose a character, you can also choose like their facial expression, so you can animate them in different ways. So it's got a lot of really cool features that you can use that will make your presentation kind of stand out. It also has audio, lots of your own audio files, or you can choose background music, sound effects, lots of different choices there. And then you can also upload from your own device, or if you've got something from the internet that you want to upload. So I'm going to preview the video that I made really quickly. It's only 6 slides. Also, with a free trial, you get the logo in the background. That with a paid subscription, you would not. So that's a small preview of the video that I created. Something else that I wanted to show you, another feature of VYond that's very cool, is you can use AI to create your video. So another feature that I wanted to show you is that I showed you how to create a video from a template, but you can also use AI. So as part of your subscription, you can choose for VYond to create your video. So I chose animal facts and then had it create the video. And very quickly, it didn't take long at all, it creates a video with sound, with different animations, and you get a certain number of AI created videos each month with your subscription. So with the 90 something dollar subscription, you get unlimited AI created videos. So over here on the right, it's got the different scenes. You can also go in and um, edit any of the scenes that you want to. So if you want to change the pictures, if you wanted to change some of the text, or if you want to voice over any of the scenes, you can do that with VYond. So just another feature that is very convenient, can save you a lot of time as a teacher or as an instructional coach when using animation to create information for you to share.